Buck, everyone. Make sure you like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Alright, we're going to cook the chicken today. So you want medium-low heat. You don't want high heat for chicken, or you'll burn it. And soak all the juices up. Alright, I'm going to get a brush and then I'll baste it when I open it up. So every about minute and a half or so, you can go ahead and flip it over. Just don't burn it. If you're not sure, just open it up and check it out. So my temperature is about 300, 350 when it's heated up, but you want it in that range, or 300. And then depending on your grill, like right now, I'm going to turn my grill down now to low. Alright, my phone overheated because of the heat, but this is how you want it to look. If you're not sure, poke this in there, check it out. As long as it's about 160, start pulling them out. These are almost done. These are done. All right, that's it. See you next time.